Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to claim Discord Nitro with no credit card, right? So here, once you're in the Discord, just go to your shop settings here, and in the shop you will see a lot of options, right? And here you can just go and look for Nitro, and there's a lot of different kind of things you can just get here just on here, right? But in the shop, if you're not able to find Nitro, that's fine. You will always get it in the Nitro section, and here you will get two options. That is a Nitro basic and the Nitro that is a little bit high upper version, right? And here, let's say I will just go and click on this one. Now here I will just go and select I just want for the monthly purposes. Now here you will get two options, card or PayPal. You can just go and pay with your PayPal, right? And in the PayPal, if you use PayPal, of course you can use your debit card. Same way in the card section, you can also use your debit card, and you can see here there are a lot of options that is available, and any kind of card is accepted here. So you can use a debit card here or a wallet, and that's it, and you can just able to buy it, right? It's really easy. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.